Hey guys, so welcome to the second part of this tutorial. So, the full tutorial would be how to retexture something. So, this will be part 2. This will be the editing part. Next video, we will do the uploading, and then the final video will be the applying. I'll take this cute little puppy here. So here's our iPhone screen. We're going to click open in place. We're going to take our puppy image. We're going to scale it to the size of the screen. Now, it may be a bit wonky because it is a phone screen. I've got to keep the proportions right. So, I'm not exactly sure how to fix that. So now we have our phone retexture. So this phone retexture will be used in the next video to apply after we upload. So this is this video, and goodbye.